Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Knowledge, and today we are talking about how you are making or how you are able to make a counter of 00 to 99 using CD4033 IC. This IC is also known as a decade counter. This is a decade counter IC, and by this we are able to make a counter of 00 to 99. So first you have to watch the video that I done in the Proteus. So you can see that this is a circuit diagram in the Proteus, and when I press the switch, the counter is working and it is counting. So this is a proof that the circuit is working. And I will give a circuit in which we will not use a switch. Instead of switch, we will use the LDR and torch. So when the light obstruct by LDR, the circuit will work and it will count. So let's get started without wasting any time. This video is only for proof. So come back to our PDF and see which components are required for making this counter circuit. So this is the first and main component is 7 segment display, and that is also a common cathode. You have to use a common cathode display because I give a circuit diagram that is for the common cathode. If you use a common anode display, that will not work. So this type of, or you can see the picture of the 7 segment display, it is a look like this. What is the next component? And the quantity, that is a 2 quantities required for the 7 segment display. The next component is IC CD4033 decade counter IC. It is a 16 pin IC, 16 pin IC, and you can see that, or you can also call it is a decade counter IC, and 2 IC are required. This is the main function to count or to display the number. By when the signal is passed through it, it will generate a decade code according to the number that you have to display on the 7 segment LED. What is the third component? Now the basic component that are LDR. LDR, when the here the torch is available, or you can say I put a torch here and the light is falling through this LDR, and when any uh, object subtract this light, the LDR will give a signal to the IC, and IC will count, or it will produce a signal such like this, where you can see the different number on the 7 segment display. This is our 7 segment display. One another component is a 330 ohm resistance. This is for the only current limiting to 7 segment display, because when the circuit diagram comes, you can understand what is the function of 330 ohm resistance. The another main resistance is a 220 kilo ohm resistance. So let's see what is the circuit diagram tells us. Another, this is a 9 volt battery and the connecting wires for making the circuit. It's a very simple, it is a not a complicated. Now I will see the circuit diagram in different stage, and all the stage PDF or all the pictures is given in the description, or if you want a proper image, you can get from that drive. So you can see that in which first you have to connect the 7 segment. This is a 7 segment display, and that is connected through 330 ohm resistance to CD4033. This is our main CD4033 decade counter IC, and that is connected to 330 ohm resistance current limiting resistance to 7 segment display, and this is a basic circuit diagram how you are able to connect, because the 16 pin arrangement and the 6 pin is connected to this pin, and that is F. This is how you are able to connect, or simple diagram of how to connect. Because if you see the 7 segment display, you will get a 1 2 3 4 5 pin at upper side and 5 pin at lower side. So this is the basic connection, or that is a first stage. It is a first stage for connecting the CD4033. Now you can see that what is the second stage. In second stage, the supply is given to the CD4033 IC, and LDR construction is also available, and simple concept. When the light is obstructed by any object, the counter or the counter circuit will generate a decayed core, and that will display on the 7 segment. And if you want to display 0 to 9 number only, then you can set only left side circuit. Only this circuit will give you 0 to 9 counting on this 7 segment LED, and this is shows the jumpering. It means this wire is passing upward, not connected to these vertical wires. So this is all you have to see properly how the connection is done. And if you want a circuit diagram proper, the link is in the description. So let's show the third stage, in which we will see the 00 to 99 counting. So you can see that this is a third stage, and it is a very important stage in which we will count a 00 to 99. You can see that one or two extra wire is connected to connect the another CD4033. This 5 number pin is connected to this 1 number pin, and this 2 number pin is short with 14 and 15 pin, and it is connected to the negative pin of the battery voltage or battery supply. So one another connection is this vertical line. What this vertical line says that these two common point are connected to each other, both 7 segment, for this as well as for this, and both the connected to the negative. You can say that this line is going to the negative terminal of the going through the negative terminal of the battery. So you have to connect these two pin or this way. This vertical line indicate these two common point are short circuited. So now you are a genius. You know the circuit diagram. If you know the circuit diagram, you can made any type of hardware. What is only requirement, or what is the first requirement? The requirement is the circuit diagram, and now you have the circuit diagram, so you can made this circuit. And I have already give the proof of Proteus. In Proteus the circuit is working, so if you made actually, the circuit will work. I am not here to make a joke. I tried my best to draw this circuit properly, and this is my project, or this was my project while I was in diploma, and I had complete this project, and this circuit was working. So don't tell me in the comment box that the circuit is not working. So be careful about that, because this circuit is working. And if you want to connect switch, you can replace this LDR and the torch by any simple switches that I have done in the Proteus. So let's try this circuit that will help you to make a counting of or to make the counter of 00 to 99. So that is this is the main circuit diagram, and if you want to take a screenshot, you can take from here. And if you want to get a link, that is also available in the description. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel Infinite Knowledge. Thanks for watching this video, and try this circuit, it will obviously work. And if you have still any query, just comment it. I will definitely give answer about this, because I have done in Proteus, and if the circuit is working in Proteus, it will work in the actual as well. So let's wind up here.